Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the shop. We're going to unbox this power box. It's called Gemini 3018 18 channel from DualSky. Let's see what is inside. Okay. This one is going to my F-15. I was going to use just a receiver and the UBEC, but finally I think for safety it's better to go full Monty and get a good power box. Okay, what is inside? Okay, some stickers, so you can make some publicity, free publicity for them. Instructions. Take a look. This side is Chinese. This side is Chinese. All Chinese. What is the English version? Here. Okay. Here you have all the English version. It comes with a quick stop. This is the diagram how you can connect two batteries and two receivers, right? And as you can see here, how many servos? 12 servos in this case, but you can do it up to 18 channels, right? And this one, the good thing is that this S-bus, so from your receiver you just need to connect only one connection. Okay, here we have. This is nice. The measurement is 7.5 by 5.5. Considering the lags, almost 9, right? And the thickness is about 2. These cooling fins. 2 connectors. I need for this connector you have special adapters, so don't worry about that one. And this is the kill switch. Battery 1, battery 2. You can see the oil status and the kill switch. And this is mostly for petrol engines or gas engines. What do we have here? It's the accessory box. Here we have, okay, all the mounting screws. Imagine this one is female to female, so probably this one is for the receiver. And the adapters for the batteries, see, to XT60. Excellent, because most of my, all my batteries, small batteries are XT60, especially the LiFe and the LiPo I use for turbine. So, okay, that's it. This is all what we have here. And I hope you enjoy this one. I will test it later when I install it in the F-15. So keep posted. The plane is has some delay because I've been transferred to a different location, but I'm still coming and going. So most probably I will finish it in next 2 weeks. It's going to be completed. And okay, that will be all for today. Thank you very much for all your support, for subscribing to my channel, for staying safe and positive, because life is nice, life is good. Thank you very much.